children, today I will teach you lesson 2nd geography, soil resources, page number 124. Look at soil resources. The uppermost thin layer of the crust which support all flora and vegetation is known as soil. All living beings, including humans, directly or indirectly depend on soil for their survival. Humans fulfill their basic needs from soil. Therefore, soil is the most important natural resource for man. It is a renewable resource. But soil formation is a very slow process and take 100 years to form 1 centimeter of soil layer. Therefore, it must be protected from erosion and degradation. Soil formation. Soil formation is continuous process called petrogenesis. Parent rock, topography, climate, soil, organism, and time are the basic factors in soil formation. Parent rocks have defined characteristics. Temperature and rainfall are the main climatic factors affecting soil formation. Topography affects the drainage of an area, whether rocks do not get accumulated on steep slope. They move down the slope by water and under force of gravity. In plains and areas with gentle slope, soil and tend to accumulate without any difficulty. Dead plants and organisms provide humus to the soil, which make them fertile. Earthworms and ants create space for air and water in the soil. Time factor is also an important factor in soil formation. The longer the time for soil formation, more deeper is its layer. Beside weathering of rocks, moving water, river and winds also contribute to soil formation. These factors are erosion, deposit material on the earth surface, alluvial soil formed by river are highly fertile and deep. Now problem of soil. Depletion and erosion are the two major problems of soil. Continuous cultivation of the crops robs soil of its fertility. If the same crop is grown every year, the soil will surely become deficient in some nutrients. It is important to note that all crops do not need the same nutrients from the soil in equal amount. Certain crops return nitrogen to the soil, hereby helping in maintaining soil fertility. The fertility of the soil can also be restored by addition of manures and fertilizers. But the chemicals used in fertilizers can render soil unfit for cultivation in the long run. Erosion causes greatest loss of soil. Loose soil devoid of vegetation is level to higher rate of erosion. It is carried down the slope by running water and wind. Physical and human factors also contribute to the soil erosion. Physical factors include the slope, intensity of rainfall, and velocity of wind. Human factors include deforestation, overgrazing, overuse of chemical fertilizers, over-irrigation, and faulty agriculture practice. Over-irrigation leads to salinization. In India, 36% of the total irrigation area has been damaged by salinization. Now, conservation of land and soil next day.